young students, to the wonderful world of animals. Today we will embark on an exciting journey to learn the names of the animals. Get ready, we start. It's a cow. She gives milk. Children and adults drink it. Come on, let's show how a cow is milked. Chicken. The most amazing thing hens can do is carry eggs. You can make many delicious dishes from these eggs. Scrambled eggs, omelet, or pie. Let's look at the hens. Horses are used for freight, plowing, and other agricultural work. Let's look at the horse. It's a sheep. In addition to wool, sheep are bred for sheep's milk, which is used to make cheese, as well as cooking fat and hides, sheepskin. Let's look at the sheep. It's a goose. It is profitable to grow geese in a subsidiary farm because from them you can get a lot of useful products. Feather, down, fat, eggs. Let's look at the goose. Dogs at all times help a person graze a herd, transport weights in difficult conditions of the north, carry out guard duty, guard housing and livestock, help in search activities, and be a reliable guide for the disabled. Let's look at the dog. It's a donkey. They are used for arable land on farms, threshing, raising water for irrigation. Let's look at the donkey. It's a bee. Bees give honey, valuable, tasty, and medicinal product. It is used as a food, to treat diseases, added to cosmetics. Let's look at the bees. It's an ostrich. Ostrich feathers can be used for tailoring costumes and fans in the theater, as well as for sewing outfits in exclusive ateliers. Ostrich eggs are large. 1 egg is enough to feed 10 people with scrambled eggs. Let's look at the ostrich. It's a pigeon. Pigeons were bred to deliver letters. They were also called postal pigeon. Let's look at the pigeons.